Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to continue building this Tamiya DT-04 Fighter NXGEN kit. And we're going to be working on the front arms. And that's going to be steps 20, 21, and 22. It's going to be a fairly short video. Let's get started. So we're going to need the steering linkage that we built over here. And first thing we're going to do is to attach the two lower arms. So let's find those. I believe it's going to be this one and this one. So let's cut them out. All right, so we got both of those arms. And we're going to grab this, which they call a U-shaft, U-shaped shaft. So we're going to line up these two arms, and I believe the angle is going to be like this. And since they came from two of the same trees, I don't think it's going to matter on the which one is left and which one is right. Let's go ahead and line that up here, line that up here. And we're going to thread through the arms first on each side. And try to line it up with the hole. A little bit easier this way. Yep. Okay, and just push it all the way through. And when you're done, it should look like that. Very cool. Now let's go ahead and find this front bulkhead and the two upper arms. It's going to be this piece right here. All right, let's grab that, and the two arms are going to be here. All right. Okay, let's see how these go. So we're going to lay it down like that. And as far as these arms go, let's take a look. All right. Oh, they don't really give you a hint. Oh, okay, here we go. So it's going to be, this mark faces forward. So there's a little arrow here. I don't know if you can see that. And so they have it on this side, just like that. So it's going to line up here. And we're going to be using a pin, MA8. It's going to be one of these longer ones. By the way, how do you like my new aluminum parts tray? I just got it. I love it. Okay. And let's go ahead and give it a few turns. Just make sure they still move. Same on this side, the arrow's here. So we're going to fit it like that. Just double check. Yes. Okay, full range of motion. And now we're just going to combine the two. And so the links are still on this side. And it's going to lay down here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to line up with those 4 holes right there. Let's see. Fit and finish is really good. So that's just going to sit right down. And we're going to do one screw from the bottom first, MA2, which is going to be this one, which I think I see one right here. No, it's going to be a little bit longer. MA2. Now, this is MA5. Okay, so that's this one, MB5. And That's also going to be MB5. I think maybe it's a darker screw. Let's see. It might be this one. Yep. All right, and there's only one, so that's perfect. And I believe it's going to be this hole right here. The fit and finish on Tamiya kits is so good. It's almost incredible. All right, so now we're going to find this piece right here, which is M1. And it's going to be this. Ouch. Okay. And let's take a look. We're going to put two MA4s down. And then three, let me find everything. Where does the MB5s? The MB5s are 2. MA3 is 1. And MA4 is these two. So let's go ahead and put the MA4s first. So I believe it's going to go like this. Yep. Okay. And we're going to do MA4s, which is going to be the shorter, darker screws. This one. Yep. And then one more. Okay, and then we're going to put on the skip plate, looks like, which is going to be F12, and we're going to attach it with these 3 screws. And F12 is going to be this piece. Okay. I think we're pretty close to the midway point of this build. So let's do these two. Actually, let's do the middle one first, just to hold it in place. So MA3, let's flip this over. I believe it's going to be this way. And it's going to be, which way is it going to be? This way. Okay. Okay, like that. And it's going to be this hole, these 3 holes right there. Going to line them up. Okay, let's find the MA3, which is this one right here. Yep, just a simple silver screw. Awesome, and that's going to hold it in place for the other 2 longer screws. All right, okay. So that was a really simple step in the build. We put together basically the front end. We still have quite a bit more to add to. We're going to build the dampers in the next video and then also attach them just like we did for the rear of the chassis. But that's it for today. We finished steps 20, 21, and 22, installing the upper and lower arms to the front. So thanks for watching this video. If you're building along, I appreciate if you click that like button. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.